Just a quick interaction breakdown for us of how we can apply these object states if you haven't dabbled with them too much yet. When you have your object selected, you can go to your design tab, and then you can see that there's this states button. So once you add that, you're going to have this drop-down menu appear. It places you in its default state. That's just how you want it to initially look. Do you want it to be full size? However, it's just going to look at first. And then you're going to select the state you'd like to apply. And this is when we have kind of two options. You can add interaction states. These ones actually build out the interaction for you. Some magic behind the curtain here. So you can select your hover state. Maybe we're just lowering the saturation to black and white so that when we hover over this image, it turns black and white. And then it's going to automatically add that interaction to my image or asset for me. So that's why it saves a little bit of time. And then you can make this really smooth with your object states by adding a transition to it. So this is kind of similar to an animation. You just apply it to your object state directly, makes it really smooth going from one to the other. And the interaction states, we'll dive into these more too, but these you can only add one hover and one click, but we can also add new states manually. And we have some best practices for that too, but we can add a lot of new states ourselves if we have like a car we want to move along the road. We want to stop at 5 places. We can add 5 locations that we want the car to be.